Hello everyone, I'm Parsa. Welcome back to Real English Podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very common problem for English learners. You understand English when you listen. You understand English when you read. But when you try to speak, nothing comes out. Or maybe only a few words come out, and you feel nervous. Does this sound familiar? If yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many learners in the world have the same problem. And today, I will explain why this happens and what you can do about it. Let's start with the problem. You study English for months, sometimes for years. You understand movies. You understand podcasts. You understand songs. But when you try to speak, you feel blocked. Your brain feels empty. You want to say something, but your mouth stays closed. Or you speak very slowly. You think in your native language. You translate word by word. And the sentence sounds strange. Maybe you even make mistakes with simple words. This is frustrating. And sometimes you start to believe, maybe I'm not good at languages. But listen carefully. That is not true. You can speak English. You just need the right practice. Why this happens so? Why does this happen? The answer is simple. You have passive knowledge, but not active skill. Let me explain. Passive knowledge means you can understand. When you hear words, you know them. When you read a sentence, you understand it. But active skill means you can use the language. You can take words from your brain and say them fast. Speaking requires active skill. An active skill is different from passive knowledge. Most learners practice only passive knowledge. They watch. They listen. They read, but they don't practice speaking enough. That's why there is a gap between understanding and speaking. Let me tell you a story from my own life. When I first learned English, I was very good at understanding. I could read articles. I could understand TV shows. But when I spoke, I froze. One day, I met a tourist who asked me for directions. He said, "Excuse me, can you tell me where the train station is?" I understood everything, but I couldn't answer. I wanted to say, "Go straight, then turn left." But I only said, "Go there." I felt embarrassed. Later, I realized the problem was not knowledge. It was practice. So I changed my method. Every day, I spoke to myself. I described my day in English. I practiced small sentences like, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. And slowly, I improved. This is exactly what you can do too. The solution, step 1. Short sentences. The first step is to use short sentences. Don't try to speak long, complicated sentences. That will make you nervous. Start small. Say, I eat. Say, I drink water. Say, I read a book. Practice short and simple sentences every day. When you feel comfortable, then you can make longer ones. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Or, I drink water when I am thirsty. Keep it simple. Simple is powerful. Step 2. Think in English. The second step is to think in English. Do not translate. If you see a chair, don't think in your language and then translate. Just say, chair. If you see a phone, say, phone. If you see the sun, say, sun. This way, your brain learns to connect objects directly with English words. It becomes automatic, and speaking becomes faster. Step 3. Self-talk. The third step is to talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. This is not crazy. It is practice. For example, when you wake up, say, I wake up. I am tired. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. When you walk outside, say, I see the sky. I hear the birds. I feel the wind. When you cook, say, I cut the onion. I cook the rice. I eat the food. This practice is powerful because you connect English with your daily life and you train your brain to use English actively. Step 4. Listening and repeating. Another step is listening and repeating. Find a podcast. Find a YouTube video. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat the sentence aloud. Imitate the speaker. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the tone. This is called shadowing. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally, and it makes English automatic. Mini practice together. Let's do a mini practice right now. Are you ready? Look around you. Do you see a table? Say, table. Do you see a book? Say, book. Do you see your hand? Say, hand. Good job. Now let's make sentences. Say, I sit at the table. Say, I read a book. Say, I wash my hands. Excellent. Simple practice, big results. Step 5. Don't worry about mistakes. This step is very important. Many learners stop speaking because they are afraid of mistakes. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh at me. Or, if I say it wrong, people will not understand me. Listen carefully. Mistakes are part of learning. Nobody speaks perfectly in the beginning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal is communication, not perfection. If you say, he go to school instead of he goes to school, people still understand you. So don't stop. Keep speaking. Every mistake is a lesson. Every mistake makes you stronger. Step 6. Use easy words. Many learners want to use big, difficult words. They want to sound smart. But in reality, communication is more important than difficult words. If you cannot remember a big word, use a small one. For example, instead of purchase, just say buy. Instead of utilize, just say use. Instead of assist, just say help. Easy words are powerful. Easy words are fast. And easy words are natural. Native speakers also use easy words most of the time. So don't worry. Use what you know. Step 7. Repeat every day. Speaking English is like exercise. If you go to the gym one time, you don't become strong. If you go every day, your muscles grow. It's the same with English. One day is not enough. 1 week is not enough. You must practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful, because your brain learns better with short, daily practice. So repeat, 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 every day. Step 8. Slow down. Some learners try to speak too fast. They want to sound like native speakers immediately. But this creates pressure, and they make more mistakes. So here is my advice. Slow down. Speak slowly. Use pauses. It's okay. Slow speaking is clear speaking. And clear speaking is better than fast speaking. Step 9. Use your hands and body when you speak. Don't just use words. Use your hands. Use your face. Use your body. This is called body language. It helps communication, and it makes speaking easier. For example, if you forget the word drink, you can show with your hand like you are drinking. People will understand, and your brain will remember faster. My student's story. Let me tell you a story about one of my students. Her name is Sarah. Sarah studied English for 5 years. She could understand movies. She could read books. But she could not speak. When she tried, she froze. She felt shy. She thought, maybe I cannot learn English. But I gave her the same advice I am giving you now. I told her, use short sentences. Think in English. Talk to yourself. Don't worry about mistakes. And practice every day. After 3 months, she improved a lot. One day, she gave a presentation in English in her class. She was nervous, but she did it. Her classmates clapped for her. She felt proud. And now she speaks English with confidence. If Sarah can do it, you can do it too. Mini practice 2. Let's practice again together. Are you ready? Repeat after me. I go. I eat. I drink. I read. I write. Good. Now let's make them longer. I go to school. I eat breakfast at 8. I drink water every day. I read a book in the evening. I write a message to my friend. Excellent. You see, it's not difficult. Step 10. Surround yourself with English. Another step is to surround yourself with English. What does this mean? It means put English everywhere in your life. Change the language of your phone to English. Change the language of your computer to English. Watch YouTube in English. Listen to podcasts in English. Follow Instagram pages in English. Read short articles in English. Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Your brain will get used to English. And soon, English will feel natural. Step 11. Think of English as a friend. Sometimes learners think of English as an exam. They think, I must pass. I must get a high score. This creates stress. Instead, think of English as a friend. Talk to English. Play with English. Have fun with English. When you make English your friend, learning becomes easier. You don't feel pressure. You feel joy. Step 12. Stay motivated. Learning English is a long journey. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes you will feel bored. Sometimes you will feel like quitting. But remember your goal. Why are you learning English? Is it for travel? For your career? For meeting new people? For watching movies? Remember your goal. And remind yourself every day. Motivation is like fuel for your car. Without fuel, the car stops. With fuel, the car moves forward. So keep your motivation high. Practice sentences with motivation. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I enjoy learning. Good job. Say these sentences every day. They will give you power. They will give you confidence. So today, we learned why thinking in English is important, and we practiced some easy steps to stop translating. Remember, short sentences, think in pictures, and repeat every day. But this is just the beginning. In the next episode, I will share more powerful tips and longer practice to help you speak even better. So don't miss episode 2. And before you go, please subscribe and like this video. That way, you won't miss the next part of our journey. See you in episode 2.